Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to see Gmail password in mobile. If you do not know how to see Gmail password in mobile, then follow my instructions till the end and you'll be able to do it. So to do it, first of all you have to go to Play Store. Now tap on profile icon. Now you have to tap on manage your Google account. Swipe right. Tap on security. Scroll down. Now you have to tap on password manager. Remember, this only works if you have previously saved your password. Here I cannot do it because I have not saved my login credentials. If you have Google icon, tap on that and enter your lock password. Then to view the password, tap on I icon. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.